Up, Holochain Holders? So what's on, my brother? Holochain as absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency, and I have one good surprise for Holochain holder. So let's get started this price prediction of Holo. But before I get started this brand video, I request to my brother to please, if you are new on this channel, subscribe this channel, click the subscribe button for latest news and updates. I updating you every hour, every good news or bad news of all cryptocurrencies market. So one of crypto market news as that to crypto market lost 10 billion US dollar, 10 billion US dollar lost. My goodness, absolutely. And last 2 days they lost to 10 billion. And I also personally see that and a tweet, and I make a special video on my channel. Please click out if you are need. Okay, so this time first of all, the decision is very hard for Holochain holder. Ask me to what we do in this critical situation. So decision is very important. First of all, I'm going to show you the 3 charts, and then we decide to what we do at the end of this video. So guys, let's get first of all, this time you can see here the last 24-hour result as on the screen. You can see here, and the chant is plus 0.17%. 17% they are gone up. So good, this is very good news for all Holochain holders. Congratulations, brother, they totally and positive. And but if you can see the very high dumps, they take a very high dump, and all cryptocurrencies as goes down. And those days I already say you to 10 billion US dollar crypto market lost. So this is the every cryptocurrencies goes down, therefore they are totally absolutely they're gonna lost. So my brother, note this result, note this latest price, the 0.023837 US dollar as the latest price. Please note that this is very helpful for the end of this video. So let's check out the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour result, and then we announce to what we do. My brother, if you check out the last 1 hour result, absolutely and positive, and 2.35% they gone up. So this is good news for all Holochain holders. Holochain brother, please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the end of this month. My opinion as that to please don't sell it, hold it. I cannot sell it, cannot sell, my brother. I hold it at the end of this month, and then I sell it, and I hope they make me millionaire. They cross 1 US dollar. If they cross 1 US dollar, they make me millionaire. Absolutely, they give you a good profit if you wait for the end of this month. So don't sell it, wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. And the announcement as that which I just to say, and something about in the startup video, the announcement as simple that to I do a giveaway of Holochain coin. Yes, I give away 1000 giveaway of Holochain coin. So don't miss this. Please 3000 subscribe, and then I make special video for this announcement. Okay, this is just announcement. Please subscribe and complete 3000. Just 100 subscriber needed. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.